Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to do screen mirroring using OnePlus mobile phone. Method 1. First we need to connect both the TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network. Here in this mobile phone, let me go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see this mobile phone is connected to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, TV also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and Google TV streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then in mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connection and sharing. Tap on screencast. Go to search for display devices. Now it's searching, please wait. Here you can see Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Then here I am going to cast entire screen. Select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then rotate the screen. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV. So if you want to stop this, again go to settings. Then tap on stop screencast. Done. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Install this Google Home app from Google Play Store. Let me open. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. See, this Google Home app has detected Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Let me cast entire screen. Select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. This is a method 2. So if you want to stop this, you can tap on Google Home app, again go there, then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.